Welcome to this edition of our videos. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use your dumbbell. In fact, if you have any dumbbell at all at home, then you can watch this video to the end as we are going to show you more than 15 different exercises you can do with your dumbbells at home. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it to your gym bros who want to work out and see the different kind of exercise you can do with this. Now, of course, our tutor for today is Tyrone, as always, when it concerns our gym products. And he wants to teach you the different things he knows with the dumbbell. Now, this our dumbbell is a 30 kg adjustable dumbbell. You can actually change it into a barbell or a dumbbell. Not all dumbbells have the connecting iron in the middle that connects it to make it a barbell, but this one comes with it. Our 30 kg adjustable dumbbells made up of 8 pieces of 2.5 kilograms disc, 4 pieces of 1.25 and 4 pieces of 0.5 kg. And they have 2 dumbbell rods and 1 connecting rod to make it into a barbell. And it also comes in a plastic box, which is durable and can help you to carry from place to place. And also you can adjust this thing in the middle. Some people will want to put it like that, like he's doing it in the video now, but the best way is to put some weight on it and push it down so that it can adjust. You adjust the grip to the way you want it to look like in your hand, as easy as ABC. Now we are first of all going to start with exercises that you can do with a barbell. Now, a barbell is a longer, like a dumbbell, but a longer rod in the middle. So you can use it to do different kinds of exercises, while dumbbells just have shorter rods that you can use mostly for chest and other things, chest, biceps, triceps. Now, dumbbells are very good for everybody. Dumbbells are good for those of you who want to have compact bones when you get old, because the more you get older, the more your bones become very, very brittle and softer. And that is why you can easily break your bones or any kind of thing. So dumbbells help you to have that kind of resistance and help you to tone up your body, because you are exchanging those bad fats in your body for muscles. And that is the best way to keep fit. When you are entering the new year 2026, get a dumbbell or get any sports product. Make sure that you are toning up and eliminating all the bad body fats. These ones will cause you to get sick. Most of the cases of diabetes or hypertension is because of fats, is because of excess sugar that cannot be used in the body. And it's because of that. And when you do exercise, especially in the evening, it burns out this particular excess sugars that your body cannot use on its own. Then now you can sleep and wake up healthy. And those of you, most of the high blood cases is because of fats being clogged in the blood vessels, making them to have a smaller volume, which they pump blood at higher pressure, causing hypertension. And hypertension has a lot of things it can cause, even right up to kidney damage, which most people don't even know it can be caused. So get you a dumbbell and do your exercises. Now, our dumbbell can be used also for push-ups. Many people do not know this. They feel like when you get a dumbbell, it's just because you want to increase in size and everything. No, a dumbbell helps to tone your complete body. In this video, you're going to see he's doing full body workouts. You can do this thing in sets of 10 sets. And please adjust the weights according to what you can carry. You can start with 5, that is 2.5 kg, 2 of them on one hand and 2 on the other hand to make it 5. And you work your way up to according to how your body can resist. That is how you do it. All right. You're going to see that if you are going to spend, let's say, 30 minutes every day at least using just these dumbbell exercises, you're going to get in shape. And even as you're fat and you're cutting down, your muscles are going to fill up those spaces which your fat used to fill. And you're still going to feel lighter than before. All right, guys, let Mr. Tyrone do all of the things he has to do with this particular dumbbell. Just watch, learn, and keep on doing the exercises in different reps as you can. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share it around, And also let us know where you're watching from, and if there's an exercise that you want us to do. We also have other gym products available. You can also click in the description button. There's a link there that will take you to the website where you can place order if you're in Cameroon for this particular product or any gym products that we have to sell.